Good day, everyone, and thank you for joining us on the Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, your guide through the latest happenings in the world of business. Scotiabank reopens with limited services. Scotia Group has reopened for business today after the passage of Hurricane Beryl on Wednesday, but has indicated that its operations are not at full strength. The group, comprising Scotiabank, Scotia Insurance, Scotia Investments, and Scotia Protect, said that its branches in Junction St. Elizabeth, Negril, Westmoreland, and Falmouth Trelawney will not be opened due to circumstances beyond our control. In a press release, the banking group added, some branches may be operating without a full staff complement, so there may be some delays in service. We remind all clients that they may continue to conduct point-of-sale, ABM, and online banking transactions as normal. Prior to landfall of Hurricane Beryl on July 2, 2024, at least 7 corporate entities had significant movement of share purchases by internal parties. This is significant because many investors watch what internal corporate persons do and match their investment strategy. So let's run through the list. Cygnus Credit Investments Limited has advised that during the period of June 26 to 28, 2024, a total of 2,502,568 shares were purchased as part of the company's share buyback program. Supreme Ventures Limited has advised that on June 28, 2024, a connected party purchased 1,455,006 Supreme Ventures shares. Express Catering Limited has advised that a connected party sold 5 million Express Catering shares on June 28, 2024. Kingston Wharves Limited has advised that a connected party sold a total of 1,068,782 Kingston Wharves shares during the period of June 24 to June 28, 2024. Dollar Financial Services Limited has advised that a connected party sold 130,743 dollar shares on June 28, 2024. Consolidated Bakeries Jamaica Limited has advised that a director purchased 218,417 Purity shares on June 26, 2024. One Great Studio Company Limited has advised that a connected party purchased a total of 320,000 shares during the period of June 26, 2024. During trading for the week of July 1 to July 5, 2024, the following companies represent the top 3 most active stocks that investors bought and sold on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Online education platform Edufocal Limited with 15,269,883 units amounted to 23.94% of the market volume in terms of equity sales. Alternative energy provider Wigton Wind Farm Limited ordinary shares with 10,386,271 units amounted to 16.28% of the market volume in terms of equity sales. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited with 7,095,761 units amounted to 11.12% of the market volume in terms of equity sales. Over on the Twin Island Republic of Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange, trading on July 5, 2024, registered a volume of 204,327 shares, crossing the floor of the exchange valued at $2,674,943 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 18 cents. National Enterprises Limited was the volume leader with 84,483 shares changing hands for a value of $275,321 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 3 cents. Followed by Massey Holdings Limited with a volume of 27,306 shares being traded for 107,860 Trinidad and Tobago dollars and 50 cents. Moving from the money moves of investors, executives, and companies on the regional stock markets, we turn to the Forex market. On July 5, 2024, the Bank of Jamaica reported that US $77 million was bought from Forex traders, while US $38.5 million was sold to Forex traders. Buying directly from the Bank of Jamaica, foreign currency traders sold the US dollar for $157.15 and bought the US dollar for $155.09. The difference between the buy and sell rate was $2.06, which represents a profit for Forex traders for every US dollar traded. Canadian Forex traders earned a trading profit of $7.30 from transactions with the Bank of Jamaica. The Canadian dollar was sold for $121.72 and bought for $114.42. For traders looking at the British pound, they pocketed a profit of $6.75, selling it for $200.45 and buying it for $193.70. For the credit report tip of the day, your credit score is more than just a number. It's a powerful tool that can open financial doors and financial opportunities. One way a strong credit score can help you is to shop around for the best loans at various banks in your community. And this gives you competitive interest rates. A higher credit score often qualifies you for lower interest rates, saving you money over the life of your loan. And with that, we wrap up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Appreciate your company. Stay well informed, stay ahead of the curve. Until our next update, take care.